Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Okay, today we start our second part of the chapter 4th, The Treasure Within. Let's start. BR, how did you get into the field of architecture? At sea, in the college for architecture, nobody who had got below 80 or 80%, 85%, 80% was allowed to enter. I had only 50%. I wanted to join the army, but I got my admission letter, but my aunt tore it up. Then I decided that I wanted to join the police force. My mother said, "Don't join the police force, just do your graduation." So I went to Jai Hind College in Bombay. There I was to either take French or German. Though I had studied French for 7 years, I did not know 7 words of French, so I took German. Then my German teacher died. The college told me that I could change the college and take French. So who would give me admission in another college? I had got admission to Jai Hind College by influence. So I thought, okay, I will take French, and I started learning French again. I learned it from my cousin. She was an architect's wife. I was going to an architect's office to learn French. Was it? FBI asked from him. Was it then you decided to be wanted to architecture? HC replied, actually it all happened quite by chance. In the architecture's office, I saw somebody drawing a details. A window detail is very advanced drawing. I told him that his drawing was his drawing was wrong, that the window he had drawn would not open. He then had a bet with me, and later he found that indeed his drawing was wrong. My cousin's husband was surprised. He asked me to draw a few specific things, and which I immediately did. He asked me to design a house, and I designed a house. After that, he told me to drop everything and join architecture. We went to meet the principal of the college. The principal warned me, I will allow you to take part in the entrance exams, but if you do not do well, I will not allow you to join. I got an A plus in the entrance exam, and from that day it was a cake walk में smooth हो गया, सब कुछ आसान हो गया. I had never made a plan, but I knew how how something looked like from the top. I had never known what a section was, but I knew if you cut a plan, but it would not look like. I stood first class, first throughout. I stood first class, first throughout. After that, I believe that all this understanding came from what I used to play and do during schools. I had a friend called Behram Divecha. We used to have competition between us for designing forts, guns, and ammunitions. Each of us would each of us would design something is an effort to be different. अब क्या होता है, बी आर आस्क फ्रॉम एच सी हाउ यू बिकम आर्किटेक्ट मीन्स कि व्हेन यू डिसाइडेड दैट यू हैव टू ज्वाइन आर्किटेक्चर. ही रिप्लाइड, इन आर्किटेक्ट कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेने के लिए 80 और 85% मार्क्स चाहिए होते थे, बट आई हैड ओनली 50% मार्क्स. आई वॉन्टेड टू ज्वाइन आर्मी एंड आई गोट माई लेटर, बट माई आंट टोर इट अप. मीन्स उन्होंने फाड़ दिया. देन आई डिसाइडेड टू ज्वाइन पुलिस, बट माई मॉम रिफ्यूज इट and advised me to complete my graduation. Then I took admission in the Jai Hind College in Bombay, and in that college I have to choose between French or German. I learned French 7 years, but I did not know 7 words of French, and I took German, but our German teacher died, so I decided to select French again. I learned it from my cousins. She was an architect's wife. BR asked from him, oh, okay, then you decided to become architecture. BR replied, it was only by chance. जब मैं ऑफिस गया तो मैंने देखा कि एक जो पर्सन है वो विंडो की ड्राइंग बना रहा है, तो मैंने उसको बोला कि जो आपकी ड्राइंग है ये गलत है, और उसने मेरे साथ बैट लगाई कि नहीं ये गलत नहीं है. जब जो उसने बाद में उसको फाइंड आउट किया तो ये उसकी जो ड्राइंग थी वो गलत थी. एंड माई कजन हस्बैंड वॉज शॉक्ड. He asked me to draw a design of house, and I did. उसने मुझे कहा कि ग्रेजुएशन छोड़ो तो आर्किटेक्चर ज्वाइन करो। तब हम कॉलेज गए प्रिंसिपल से मिलने के लिए, तो उन्होंने हमें क्या बोला, मैं इसे एंट्रेंस एग्जाम में बैठने के लिए परमिशन दे देता हूँ, अगर इसके अच्छे मार्क्स नहीं आए देन ही नेवर कंटिन्यू। सॉरी उसके जो प्रिंसिपल ने कहा था कि मैं इसको बैठने के लिए परमिशन देता हूँ अगर इसके अच्छे मार्क्स आते हैं तो। एंड आई गोट A+ इन द एग्ज़ाम, देन आई स्टूड फर्स्ट क्लास थ्रू आउट द आफ्टर दैट। और मेरा एक फ्रेंड होता था बहराम दिवेचा, हम दोनों में कंपटीशन होता था फोर्स को, गन्स को, एम्यूनिशंस को डिज़ाइन करने के लिए, और वहीं से मुझे ये सब कुछ आइडियाज़ मिले थे। इन स्कूल व्हेन आई वॉज इन सेकेंड और थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड, one of my teachers, Mrs. Gupta, saw my sketches and told me, see, you are useless in everything else, but your sketches are good. When you grow up, you become an architect. I did not know at that time, but she was right. Later, after I became architect, I went back to meet her and tell her, Bia, why do you think you did not like studies? Was it because you felt you could not cope means compromise, मतलब मैनेज कर पाना, could not deal with the curriculum? HC replied, I was very bad at languages mean हिंदी और इंग्लिश जो लैंग्वेजेस होती हैं, फ्रेंच लाइक since and geography I could deal with, maths are very bad. I just was not interested. I was studying for the sake of studying, but they taught me today. I would forget after 2 days. I would not bother, became there was no application of mind there to begin with. Bia asked, did you think that what they taught in school was boring? Did you feel that once you understood the concept of what was being taught, you lost interest in the rest of the lessons? See, living in a boarding school is difficult. We were just living from day to day. Nowadays there are so many tests. Back then, whenever we had tests, we used to just copy. The teacher thought that we had done our work. There is a contention that giftedness and learning disabilities go hand in hand. Do you think this applies to you? HC, well, take some students from my class. Those who always stood first or second are doing very ordinary jobs. I have came across this situation in so many different places where people tell me that their class toppers are doing very ordinary today. HC, in school, I think living our lives there made us street smart. I have learnt more by doing that what I had on my own than what academics would have taught me. As she said, when I was in second or third class, Mrs. Gupta, my teacher, saw my sketches and said in future you will become an architect, and later I will become. And I went back to meet her and tell her. बी आर आस्ट फ्रॉम HC, तुम्हें क्या लगता था कि जो तुम्हें पढ़ाया जा रहा है क्या तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि ये जो सब कुछ है ये बोरिंग है और तुम करिकुलम के साथ डील नहीं कर पा रहे हो? देन HC रिप्लाइड, आई वॉज वेरी बैड इन लैंग्वेज एंड मैथ्स. साइंस और जियोग्राफी तो मैं फिर भी कर लेता था, जो मेरे टीचर्स थे जो मुझे पढ़ाते थे वो मुझे 2 दिन में ही भूल जाता था. देन बी आर आस्ट, डिड यू थिंक दैट दोज टॉपिक्स वर बोरिंग? देन HC रिप्लाइड, दिस इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू लिव इन बोर्डिंग स्कूल. जब जो टेस्ट होते थे मैं कॉपी कर लेता था और जो टीचर सोचते थे कि हमने काम कर लिया है. एंड बी आर आस, मुझे बहुत से लोगों से बातचीत हुई है और मुझे ये सभी मैक्सिमम लोग बताते हैं कि जो हमारी क्लास के टॉपर्स होते थे वो आजकल नॉर्मल जॉब ऑर्डिनरी जॉब्स कर रहे हैं. ऐसी रिप्लाइड आई डिड बट माई माइंड सेड. That is because the personality and skills were there. You were able to find expressions in the manner you were comfortable with. You defined every rule so that nobody would stop you from doing what you needed to do. As I was more interested in other things. If for example, while in class, if started raining, I would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam to block it. I would be thinking about the flow of water within the dam and how much of water the dam would be able to hold. There was my interest for the day. When the students lost a button while playing or fighting, they would come running to me and I would cut a button for vary them for chalk using a blade. Discipline in the school was very important and no student could afford to have a button missing. The students would get past dinner with a full neat uniform and after that I did not matter. We are coming to that present. How do you decide as you what kind of structure you want to give to a client? As see, I took the client face. I look at the client face, his clothes, the way of talks, pronunciation, the way he eats. I would know that his taste would be like. I can relate to people in a way that would be comfortable. I sketch very spontaneously on a paper on the spot. That paper I gave to my people in the office. Bia, you did it instinctively. SC, call it instinct, call it arithmetic, whatever. Now it comes me like mathematics, putting designs, constructions, psychology, and sociology together and making a sketch from all that mathematics. How we almost come to a full circle where Mr. Contractor has derived his own interpretation of mathematics, taking it from a subject he hated to a subject he now loves deals with. Then SC सॉरी बी आर रिप्लाई एच सी रिप्लाई करते सॉरी वी आर रिप्लाइड आपको सक्सेस इसलिए मिली है क्योंकि आपके अंदर स्किल्स थी और आपने एंड यू डिड वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. एच सी बोलते हैं आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन अनदर थिंग्स. वाइल जब मेरी हमारी क्लास चल रही होती थी, जब बाहर बारिश लगनी होती तो हमें मेरे दिमाग में ये आता था कि ये जो सारा पानी है इसको मैं इकट्ठा करके डैम में रखूँगा. और जो डैम है उसमें कितनी कैपेसिटी होगी पानी को होल्ड करने की, और इन्हीं चीज़ों में मेरा जो दिमाग है वो घूमता रहता था. और जब बच्चे खेलते थे और लड़ाई करते करते जब उन्होंने बटन तोड़ते ना, तो वो मेरे पास आते थे और ब्लेड की हेल्प से मैं बटन काट के उनको बटन बना के दे देता था सेम टू सेम. वी आर आज नाउ हाउ यू डिसाइड एज व्हाट काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर यू वांट टू गिव टू क्लाइंट. As he replied, I look on the client's face, his way of talking, his pronunciation, his way of eating, his clothes. I can guess his taste. मतलब आपके जो होता है कि आपके रहने से, आपके खाने खाने के तरीके से, आपके बात करने के तरीके से आपका पता चल जाता है. एंड आई स्केच ऑन पेपर. वी आर आस्क्ड, तो आप ऐसे ही नेचुरली बना देते हो. ऐसे आप इसे कुछ भी बोल सकते हो, नेचुरली बोल सकते हो. इट कम टू मी लाइक मैथमेटिक्स. अब मेरे लिए तो अब ये सारा जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स मतलब मैथ्स ही बन गया है. ओके, दिस इज योर सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द फोर्थ चैप्टर. ओके, ट्राई टू फाइंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चंस and please read this chapter again and improve your pronunciation.